Assalamu alaikum. I want to talk to about BeVigi. It's a open source intelligent website. Information gathering is a big part of web application penetration testing. Mm, so that's why BeVigi it's a uh, first and measurable website. If you want perform the Google Docs search, perform the OSINT search, and that's why this site is the best. Like that, at first, at the requirement, you have account, then search your Play Store, your company apps or this company site apps. Like that, testing purpose, I want to search Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh. Like that, my choiceable Bangla calendar. These apps. So that's it's a report Bangla calendar. I don't know who is the company that is. I want to test my only testing purpose. Like that, it's a certification summary. Like that, vulnerabilities, string, malware, permission, apps data. That overall security rating 6.2 average. So at first, such vulnerabilities. Okay. Have some vulnerabilities in these apps. Medium, weak cryptography algorithm, CWE, medium, SQL query, non-parameterized SQL query. Then second, im- use of implicit intent for broadcast. So 1 to 5 page, have a 1 to 5 page. At first, open 6 file like that. So it's use MD5 hash. So close. Cryptography algorithm use should be strong true. Avoid MIT attack. So another source code. Uh, it's use MD5 hash. So mitigation cryptography algorithm used to should be strong. Avoid MIT attack. So that's why if you want to find at first something bug, and the website only for you. Thank you.